Working with Network Rail, the BTP and the CAA, Dronecloud and RUAS secure approval for 70 kilometers of beyond visual line of sight flights from the UK's first purpose-built drone hub. Located at the Birmingham Rail Operating Centre, the hub is designed to accommodate multiple drone platforms and use cases, from drones as first responder to asset inspection and logistics. The centralized hub allows pilots and traffic managers to safely coordinate flights across an entire region, paving the way for beyond visual line of sight flights at national scale. A key need for such a hub is in the fight against railway crime, which cost critical national infrastructure £1 billion over the last decade. This groundbreaking authorization is built on trials that have proven drones can deliver. Let's see that in action. A drone is scrambled to help the BTP locate and apprehend a trespasser. Using Dronecloud's Uncrewed Traffic Management system, the BVLOS hub ensures that all flights over the network are deconflicted and safe. The Network Rail drone searching for a trespasser is safely managed in real time, allowing multiple simultaneous flights to be safely coordinated. The target is acquired and police move in to apprehend. Back at the drone hub, route control managers and police can safely reopen the adjacent track to rail traffic. We are now engaging with critical national infrastructure partners to expand BVLOS operations across rail, road, maritime, and power networks. Contact us to be part of the national shift toward drone-enabled infrastructure management.